We're now eagerly waiting for the Korean giant to launch its Galaxy S20 flagship phones, and the Galaxy Fold 2, and have today got our hands on a seemingly confirmed launch date. First shared by Brandon Lee of This Is Tech Today, a leaked promo video for Samsung's next Unpacked launch event has appeared online. An unwatermarked teaser has been shared by XDA developers Max Weinbach on Twitter, as seen below. It reveals that the Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus, and possibly an Ultra variant as well, as per leaks, will be arriving on February 11th. In the teaser video above, Samsung has spelled out Galaxy but replaced both the A letters in the text with rotating squares. These could be a hint to the massive square camera bumps that are rumored to grace the rear panel of the upcoming Galaxy S20 flagships. Don't forget to take a peek at the rumored specs, camera features, battery capacities, and all additional information on the Galaxy S20 lineup. But it's only one of the squares, the one on the left, first A, that hint at Galaxy S20's camera. Weinbach, in a follow-up tweet, suggests that the square on the right teases Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Fold 2.